you're going to get a lot of films from me over the next few days because I'm isolated because my husband has COVID. So we are shut down, and I've got a lot of food, and so I want to share some of the things that I'm doing because I think there'll be a lot of you out there who are going to be isolating over Christmas, and you will have a ton of ingredients. So I had my big delivery of food today, and I thought, wonderful, there's only 4 of us. So don't wait till after Christmas to start using up the food that you won't be using, or it's too much. So I had a lot of Brussels sprouts. I want to show you what I'm doing. We're having our Brussels sprouts for dinner tonight. So I cooked some pancetta in the pan and let the pancetta release all its lovely bacony flavour. Earlier today, there's another film that you can watch where I butcher, I'm not sure that's the right word, a turkey, and I cut off the whole of its backbone, and then I roasted it. And after I'd roasted it, that's ready for the stock tomorrow. I poured off all the fat. I don't waste anything. So as well as the bacon fat, I actually put a drizzle of the turkey fat in. I'm going to keep that because that will be useful over Christmas for lots of nice flavour. Instead of using oils or butter, you can use that fat. It's pure and wonderful. So then I put in the Brussels sprouts, which have been quartered, coated them in the fat. I've now poured in some stock, and I'm going to put the lid on and leave those to just braise for about 15 minutes. Then I'll take the lid off and I'll turn the heat up and I'll let that evaporate. And that's it really for now. That's going to be a lot more.